Okay guys, no, now I'm going to tell you how to make your PC a little bit faster. As you know, when your C drive gets filled with junk and all, like my C drive is now filled, you can see that it's showing red sign and your PC got slow. You don't have to worry at all. You just have to type this command and then type temporary like this, and this thing will happen. Now you have to delete all these items and delete it. Now you have to open it again, type run, and now you have to type percentage temp percentage. Okay, then all these files you are looking at, these will show on, and just delete them. That's it. And the third and the last one, you have to type again run and type prefetch. Okay, this will ask for your permission. Simply continue it. Okay, now control all and then delete. Skip those files are not deleting because they actually are in progress or in a process. And now last, open your recycle bin, control and all, and delete. See, all of the junk files in your systems now deleted, and your system became much more faster than before. See, now my system is much more faster than before. Thank you guys.